Today I'm going to show you how to cut a stair stringer. First thing we do, I'm going to measure the total rise. So I'm going to put my tape here and I'm going to mark where my ending point's going to go. This happens to be 28¼ inches off the ground. For my run today, I'm going to go with a 10.5 inch tread. Okay, I wrote 28¼ for my total rise that I just got done measuring. Code states that each tread cannot be over 7¾ inch tall. So what I'm going to do is try to get close to that. I'm going to take my calculator right here and do 28¼ divided by 4, and I get 7.0625, which I know that's 7 1/16. So again, I'm under that 7 3/4. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the 7 1/16 mark. On my other end, I'm going to do the 10.5, and then I'll take my gauges, slide it down. And then that way when I move it over and hook anywhere, I have the proper 90-degree angle for my tread. Next thing I'll do is I'll go ahead and eye down my 2x12. And what you're wanting to do is, if you see a natural crown in the board, you want your stairs to be crowned up. So any hump that you have in the board is going to be on the upper side of where you're cutting the treads. Next, I'll take my framing square set up here and I'll mark out my first step. Again, you're using the inside, and then I'll jump it over. I'll line my new mark up to where the existing mark that I just put on there, making sure I'm keeping my gauges tight against the top of the board. Now, I don't need to come to my run because this is the 4th rise and that's where the concrete will be. So that's where I'm going to stop. I can go ahead and put a little tick mark right there so I know that that's going to be the end of my stringer.